Have you ever wondered why porcelain countertops are gaining popularity, particularly in modern kitchens and bathrooms? This isn't some fleeting design trend, but a shift towards a material that is as durable as it is beautiful. More and more homeowners are discovering the unique combination of style and function that porcelain countertops offer. From mimicking the elegance of marble to the rustic charm of wood, all while requiring minimal upkeep. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Well, it turns out there are several compelling reasons why porcelain has become the countertop material of choice for many. Stick around to find out more. First and foremost, porcelain countertops are highly resistant to everyday wear and tear, making them a smart choice for any home. This remarkable durability stems from porcelain's inherent qualities. It's a material that can withstand high temperatures, so hot pots and pans won't leave a mark. No need for trivets or fear of blistering your countertop with a fresh-from-the-oven dish. Scratches, too, are less of a concern with porcelain. Whether it's the occasional slip of a knife or the constant shuffle of dishware, your countertop holds its own. But what about those pesky spills that can cause unsightly stains on other surfaces? Well, porcelain laughs in the face of stains. Its smooth, non-porous surface making it easy to wipe clean. And let's not forget the ease of maintenance. Porcelain requires minimal upkeep. A simple wipe down with a damp cloth is often all it takes to keep it looking brand new. So you get to spend less time fussing over your countertop and more time enjoying it. So if you're looking for a countertop material that can withstand the rigors of daily use and still look great, porcelain is a strong contender. But porcelain countertops aren't just about practicality, they also bring a distinct style and aesthetic appeal to your space. The beauty of porcelain countertops lies in their ability to emulate the look of luxurious materials such as marble or wood, without the high maintenance or cost. Imagine the elegance of a marble countertop, without the worry of staining or chipping, or the warmth of a wood countertop without the fear of warping or water damage. But it doesn't stop there. Porcelain countertops come in a multitude of designs, colors, and finishes, offering a palette of possibilities. You can choose a sleek, modern design with sharp lines and bold colors, or perhaps a rustic country style with warm earth tones and a textured finish. The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. And let's not forget, porcelain's glossy finish adds a touch of sophistication and glamour to any space, making your kitchen or bathroom look more refined and elegant. So with porcelain countertops, you're not just getting durability, you're also getting style. And let's not forget about versatility. Porcelain isn't limited to just countertops. Its strength, durability, and aesthetic appeal extend to flooring and wall cladding, offering a cohesive look throughout your home. Whether you're aiming for a sleek modern vibe or a rustic charm with porcelain, the design possibilities are virtually limitless. In conclusion, porcelain countertops offer a winning combination of durability, style, and versatility. Resistant to heat, scratches, and stains, they're easy to maintain and come in a variety of designs to suit your unique taste. To explore the possibilities of porcelain countertops for your home, reach out to Marcy at Northwest Stone Fabricators today.